When I was a child, running in the night, I was afraid of what might be. Hiding in the dark and hiding on the streets for none of what was following me. Oh, 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 oh. The hounds of love are calling. Oh, oh.
Yeah. You fucker. Lincoln Hall. And where have we gone?
Lincoln Hall. We're here.
Look at that. Oh, excellent.
So we were heading north. We did pass a road on the left. I saw that. And there was hills on the right. Yeah, and we passed a tree line. Because I said to the camera, we passed a tree line. Now we're going to take a bearing. Right. So we're in Lincoln Hall. We go through Lincoln Hall. We take a right, and then on that junction we'll pick up 117. Happy?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And then I'm going to do our first question.
Oh, oh, oh. I've always been a coward. Oh, 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 oh. And I don't know what's good for me. Well, here I go. It's coming at me through the tree. Help me, someone, help me, please. Take your shoes off, and I will.
Okay, how far is Lincoln? 4 miles. 100 points.
Is that really 100 points? Excellent. And this trail looks nice as well. We're going to have to watch you don't get carried away with the trails now. So, just over a kilometre then. No. And there's just one up here, one at the end, yeah?
When you come to the next junction, stop. There'll be a road emerging from the right.
Oh, so this is crossing some roads, okay.
Yeah?
Alright, okay.
Can you lead on?
Yeah, no worries. Well done, Sven. Congratulations. And now we're finally off-road. Yes! And it's gravelly. Woohoo! Oh yes. This is what we've been looking for. Yeah, let me put alongside you. Oh, whoa, oh, oh. Excellent.
Been a coward. Oh, oh, oh. And I don't know what's good for me. But here I go. Don't let me go. Hold me down. It's coming at me through the tree.
I'm off, hang on.
Help me, someone, help me, please. Take my shoes off, and I will throw them in the lake, and I will be two steps.
Fucking weird, isn't he?
Oh.
I don't know.
I think you're weird as well, you fucking big yellow weirdo.
It's on the water.
We're going to have to get on... Oh, yes! Oh, yes! I think this is the first time on video I've got Sven falling off. Oh, yes. Lift it, baby.
Hello and welcome to Cribs.